Mastering the melody. The art of playing the accordion. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, play the accordion. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of this melodious expression. When we say, play the accordion, we're referring to the action of operating a musical instrument known as the accordion. The accordion is a portable, box-shaped instrument with keys or buttons on the side, which produces sound by expanding and compressing a central bellows while pressing the keys to form melodies. It's an instrument that requires coordination between both hands to play melodies and harmonies, making it unique and fascinating. The accordion is not just an instrument, it's a cultural symbol in many parts of the world. It plays a central role in genres like folk, polka, and even some forms of pop and rock music. Learning to play the accordion opens up a world of musical traditions and styles, showcasing the instrument's versatility and richness. Whether in a cozy cafe in Paris or at a lively folk dance in Eastern Europe, the accordion sound is unmistakable and often brings people together. Using "play the accordion" in sentences is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples to help you incorporate it into your English conversations. My grandfather loves to play the accordion during family gatherings. I'm thinking of taking lessons to learn how to play the accordion. The band's unique sound comes from incorporating the accordion into their music. Notice how the phrase can be used to talk about personal interests, intentions, or to describe musical performances. For those interested in learning how to play the accordion, here are a few tips. Start with the basics. Learn about the different parts of the accordion and how they work together to produce sound. Practice regularly. Like any musical instrument, consistency is key to improvement. Listen to accordion music. Immersing yourself in the music will help you understand different playing styles and techniques. Seek instruction. Whether through online tutorials or private lessons, guidance from experienced players can be invaluable. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to play the accordion, and sparked your interest in this wonderful instrument. Whether you're planning to learn the accordion or just enjoyed learning about this phrase, we're glad you joined us. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar, it's also about the culture and stories behind those words. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.